What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another throwback video, man. In this video we got this Tahoe here. Now this Tahoe wasn't my best purchase, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you that right now, but we made it work and we did make our money back. Now this is a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. This bad boy had a lot of miles on it, man. It had a lot of miles on it, like 270,000 miles. I'm glad I made my money back off this car, but I'm not really too happy on what I paid for it. As you can see, the body wasn't in the best shape. But yeah, it was a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. It had like 277,000 miles on it. It didn't look the best. I only paid $950 for it. But you know, we did make our money back. We wind up selling the truck for $1,100, so we made just a little money off of it. Not too much profit, but again, not a loss. Yeah, and this car, it also had some check engine lights too. I think it had like an evap code, and I think it had like 2 or 3 evap codes, but it wasn't like nothing too serious. And maybe a catalytic converter. I think I remember having like 2 or 3 codes on it. But yeah, man, this wasn't like the best buy, but I did make my money back. I just told the customer, you know, that, you know, what was wrong with the truck. It wasn't past emissions because of the check engine light code. Where I'm at in Georgia right now, you do need emissions to you know, be able to drive the car, for them to give you your tag and your sticker and everything. So I just told the customer, I think he was driving it to South Carolina though, so he really didn't even care about emissions, because you know, in South Carolina they don't have emissions. I wish they didn't have emissions here, but they do. But well, certain parts of Georgia they do. But yeah, so yeah, this was a 2001 Tahoe. I think I'm about to show the miles in a minute. I think it had like 270 something thousand miles on it. I'm waiting for it to start the car. Let's see if I can go ahead and start it. There you go. Yeah, 291,000 miles. It wasn't even 277. So almost 300,000 miles for this car. I paid $950, sold it for $1,100. I do remember the AC didn't work. The heat did work, but the AC didn't work. So yeah, man, another throwback video. I'm glad I made my money back. I'm not happy with the price that I paid for it. I wish I would have paid like, you know, $650, $700, but hey, made my money back. I appreciate y'all watching another throwback video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Got a lot of content coming for you guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell and let me know what you guys think. You think I paid too much? You think I could have, sold it for more with the 291,000 miles? You know what I mean? Just let me know, guys. I appreciate you guys watching my videos as always. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.